How to charge your AirPods case or how to charge your AirPods. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can charge your AirPods. Now it's pretty simple. Along with the AirPods here, you'll get the case, and on the case you'll get the option here. You can see here down below on most AirPods, you'll get the charging plug in there. So you can see here. Now depending on the type of AirPods that you have and depending on the type of charging point that you have, you can use that particular data cable to charge. Now if it is the lightning cable, right, so you can see here on this AirPods it is the lightning cable, so you can use the lightning charger, that is your iPhone here. So you can plug it in and you can plug this data cable along with the charger head and you can charge it. Similarly, if it is the type C, then you can use the type C data cable here. And you can see type C here, you can plug it in and you can use it. So this is how you can charge your AirPods case. Simply plug it in here. I have not plugged it in, but this is how you can use cables depending on the type of AirPods that you have. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.